Microsoft Word, Chapter 1, Project 6B. Okay, before we go on to 6B, at the last part of 6A, you need to go back there and read about using the help feature, and then getting help from a screen tip, getting help at the backstage area, and getting help in a dialog box. This is a really important thing to do because let's say you're taking a test where you actually are doing what we call production. You're actually doing hands-on work in your exam and you can't remember how to do something on your test. You have help in Word, okay? So you really need to make sure you know how to use this. All right, Project 6B, using the help feature. Step number 1, open a new blank document by completing the following steps. A, click the File tab. So here's File, and then click New, which is right there. Okay. Step B, at the new backstage area, double-click the single-spaced blank template. Okay, you see it right here where it says single-spaced blank? Go ahead and double-click it. All right, step number 2, press F1 to display the Microsoft Word help window. So press your function key F1. Step number 3, at the Word help window, click in the search text box, type print preview. Okay, here's your search text box. Click and type print preview and press enter. Step number 4, when the list of articles displays, click the printed document in Word hyperlinked article. You may need to scroll down the Word help window to display this article. Okay? So I'm looking for print a document in Word that's hyperlinked. So that's right here. For me, it was the first one. If it's not for you, you can scroll down and find it. Go ahead and click on that hyperlink. Scroll down and read the information. So you were looking up how to do print preview. You found it. Here's your information. It tells you exactly what to do on the file. You would click print to preview each page. It tells you everything. So you just scroll down and you check it all out. Okay, it tells you how to print specific pages, and that is definitely something you will see on an exam. Okay, so you just keep scrolling. And then at the bottom, it always has other options like, hey, if that didn't work for you, maybe you could try this. Okay, so it's actually super, super helpful. Okay. We are not going to print this, okay? It tells you that you should go and print this. Do not print this. You do not need this in your life right now. All right, at the Word help window, click the Use Large Text button to increase the size of the text in the window pane. All right, so one of the things you're going to learn about working at a college is sometimes we don't have all of the options installed, and we do not have the Use Large Text button in our help window. Now, at home, you may have that. So let's take a look down at the little diagram of it, and you could see that if you had it, it would be right up here, and it's not. So, but if you had it, by golly, it'd be right there, and you could click that. Hit your home button on here, which just takes you back to where you were. And sorry, we don't have that feature, but you can take a look at it in your book and go ahead and click the close button on that help menu. All right, step number 12, hover your mouse over the Format Painter button in the clipboard group on the Home tab. Home tab, clipboard group, Format Painter, okay? So when you don't click on it, you just hover over it, and you can see that it gives you information. It tells you what it is. It gives you the keyboard commands. It tells you how to use it. And then down here at the bottom, it says, Tell me more. Please click on the Tell me more at the bottom of the screen tip. So basically, it opens up your help dialog box with the Format Painter information. And you can go ahead and read this information. Format Painter is something we'll learn about later, and it is an awesome tool. So you can read all about it. Go ahead and click the Close button on the Word help window. All right, click on your File tab. That is step number 16. 17. Click the Microsoft Word Help button in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. It's a question mark right there. Do you see it? Touch it, and the screen tip will tell you it's Microsoft Word Help. You can also press F1. Okay? And you can go ahead and close the Word Help dialog box. Step number 19, click the back button right there. Step number 20, click the Paragraph Group dialog box launcher in the lower right-hand corner of the Paragraph Group on the Home tab. Okay, here's your Home tab, Paragraph Group. A dialog box launcher is right here in this corner. Now, if we take a look at the groups up here, we have Clipboard has a dialog box launcher, Font has one, Paragraph has one, Styles has one, Editing doesn't have one. They do not all have them. So we want to go to the Paragraph Group dialog box launcher. I need you to learn that because it's something we use for the entire rest of the class, and it's a teeny tiny little thing. So I need you to know it, and the term is Paragraph Dialog Box Launcher. Go ahead and click it. And now you can see in this dialog box, you have help. Basically, what they're teaching you is as you're working in Word, if you're struggling with something, help is all over the place, okay? So you've seen it now in how many different places, and here it is yet again. Go ahead and click on it. And it opens up your help dialog box. All right, go ahead and close this. And close that one, and we don't need this. It's just a blank document. And you are finished with the videos for this chapter.